My name is Victoria. I'm a third-year history and economics student at the University of Florida. I am studying with the intention of becoming a history teacher for at least a couple years after I graduate, but ultimately the goal is to go back to college, get my PhD in history, and then become a history professor at the collegiate level. Through my time at UF, I've realized that history is one of the most gray subjects in the world. It's not something that's black and white. It's something that very much has different aspects that influence the way we learn, the way we teach history. My communication skills have really developed mostly in not just my ability to talk, but my ability to listen. And I feel like that's a part of communication that a lot of people overlook. It is a two-step process. It is listening to the needs and concerns of another person, taking those needs and concerns, and then formulating a good answer for them. That has been one of the greatest skills the Selling Factory has taught me. My experience making calls and connecting with people throughout different organizations, just that ability for me to analyze a conversation or a situation within a conversation and be able to change how I respond to make sure that both parties within the conversation get the most possible out of it.